Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix DoorDash stuck on submitting order. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So there's a few things that you should be checking here to ensure that the DoorDash mobile application would work on your mobile phone. So first thing you want to check here is if you have the latest updates for the DoorDash mobile application. So go ahead and open up the Play Store here and search for DoorDash and see if there are any updates and install it in your mobile application or in your mobile device. So sometimes your mobile device will not be able to install the updates for some application, and you might want to check if you have the latest updates for it. Now, if there are no updates or this method does not work for you, well, the next best thing that we could do here is to clear our cache in the DoorDash mobile application. Now, from here, you want to search for the DoorDash icon here or application, press and hold on it, and from here, you want to click on App Info. Now, under App Info, you want to click on the Clear Data option that you see at the bottom right of your screen, and from here, just click on Clear Cache. Now from here, just confirm that you want to clear your cache and click on OK. And basically what we did there is just clear the temporary files that we have on DoorDash. Now from here, just see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.